Hello friends, thanks for joining Avitech Learn. In the last 3 sections we have learned basic concepts of HTML. So we're going to continue with the basic concept of HTML. Today we're going to learn hyperlinks. So I'm going to start with the word Avitech. Please subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed. I have to save this file and refresh the page. So after refresh we can see this Avitech Learn. So when I click on this Avitech Learn, it has to take me to my Avitech logo. Let us do that. That is called hyperlink. So just after this body, I'm going to write here open angle bracket a href equals to open tag, close tag, and close the angle bracket. And after this, I will tag close the a tag. So a is the tag. This is called anchor, and h is the hyper reference. Reference for Avitech Learn. So when I click on this Avitech Learn, something should be there here to open. So nothing is there right now. For that, I'll go back to the area where I saved the file. I have this logo now. Right click this. Right click on this logo. Go back to properties. And you can see name of the file is Avitech logo. Copy this one. And the type of the file is PNG. We already done in the previous section this one. How to add the image. So go back to the place input area and paste the name of the file .png. The PNG is nothing but we have your type of the file. So this is done. Now save the file again. Control S save. I'm doing the shortcut key and go back to the output. Refresh the page. As soon as I refresh the page, you can see your Avitech Learn with the underline. So when I take my cursor on this, you can see the hyperlink icon. So that and point, what you see there, finger is pointing the text Avitech Learn. So this is called hyperlink. When I click on this Avitech Learn, it will take me to the page called Avitech Learn logo. This is how we can hyperlink the picture. We can hyperlink even text applications. So example, I have here one document. I have one file called Excel basic home tag. I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to hyperlink this Excel basic home tab. I'm going to right click on that properties. I'm going to select this Excel basic, copy. The type of the file is XLSX. Go back to the place input area and just paste the name of the file. Extension is .xlsx. Save. Refresh the page by pressing this icon or F5. It is refreshed again. When I click on this, you can see at the down over here, your file will get downloaded. When I click on this Avitech Learn, you can see your Excel basic home tab. So from here, I can open the home tab. There is other option. As soon as I click, it will open like this. That we're going to learn in the JavaScript and CSS. Right now we are learning the basic concept. Because of that, it's going for the download option. Or else it will get open directly here. How you see this one. It's getting open. Just a minute. So this is my file Excel basic home tab. It is open now as soon as I clicked on the link. I hope I have cleared some basic concept of hyperlink. We are learning only external hyperlink, not the internal hyperlink. That part we're going to learn in the advanced. Thank you for joining Avitech Learn. Please do like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.